I tried Skyscannernet reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Booking flights and hotels online is tricky, and most people get this wrong. They assume all comparison tools show the best prices. I tested Skyscannernet for a full week to uncover the truth. On day 1, I created an account and searched for flights across multiple destinations. The app instantly displayed prices, dates, and airlines, highlighting the cheapest, fastest, and best options. Most people get this wrong by only looking at one airline or one date. Skyscanner's strength is comparing hundreds of options quickly. By day 3, I tested hotel and rental car searches. You won't believe what happens next. Some cheaper options turned out to have hidden fees, which the app flags in small print. The surprising truth is that Skyscanner is accurate for comparison, but users still need to read details before booking. By day 5, I set price alerts for a flight I wanted. The app sent notifications when prices dropped by even a few dollars, allowing me to save money without constantly checking manually. Most people assume alerts are unnecessary, but this feature alone can reduce costs significantly. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Skyscannernet Reviews app is more than a search tool. It's a money-saving assistant if you know how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong by ignoring alerts or missing hidden fees, but with careful attention, is one of the most reliable travel apps available. For anyone planning trips, Skyscanner can simplify research, compare hundreds of options, and save real money. The shocking truth? Even tiny details like alerts and flexible dates can transform the cost of your next adventure.